We just finished up a 2.5-day small intensive here in Chicago with a small group of attorneys who are all running a law firm between $8 and $1 million.
I've worked with Eddie for, I don't know, about 3 years maybe, and I think in the first 30 days of working with Eddie, he made us like $30,000. So after that, I was pretty much hooked.
Eddie's been an incredibly invaluable resource, both as far as just how to sell and market, how do I do my sales, how do I do my outreach, and how do I bring them home, and helping me understand that step-by-step process that as a lawyer, nobody teaches you, and that's really hard.
So what I want you guys to think about this chart, this path of ascension, this scaling, is really supposed to help guide you on your next steps in the journey of continuing to scale your law firm.
I really like that there's a huge diversity of folks attending in terms of practice areas and locations and ideas and backgrounds.
The average attendee in this room has grown by over 200% year over year for the last 2 to 3 years. This is hyper growth of law firm, and you're watching companies and lives change at a rate that, quite honestly, is unbelievable.
As a law firm owner, there's a lot of people with their hand out, and we don't know if they're charlatans or they're actually a friend. What I can say is that Eddie is a friend.
You have to join us in Raleigh. This event in Chicago has been unbelievable, and our next event in Raleigh this September is going to be even more incredible. I can't wait to see you there.